Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss how to get free guides to a variety of projects, whether that project be in crafts, cooking, photography, landscaping, etc. So if you like making things, you will love this website. The website we will be using is called Instructables. So let's go ahead and go to instructables.com. That's INSTRUCTABLES.com. This is their main web page. If you scroll down, you can see a bunch of different categories here, such as circuits, workshops, and workshops would include woodworking. You have crafts, and this includes photography, jewelry making, felt crafts, clay, things like that. And then you have cooking. Then you have living, and this can include a bunch of projects that you can do around your home. And then we have outside as well, and this also includes some landscaping. And then you have teachers, which is a really cool way to get ideas for crafts and art projects. So there's a lot of cool stuff on this site. If you have an idea in mind right away, you can always use the search function, which is right up here at the top. So let's say that you were interested in making a birdhouse. So we can just search for birdhouse. And once you find the one you like, here are all the projects that are listed. So let's say that we really like this R2D2 birdhouse. Just click on the picture here, and it will open up and give you step-by-step instructions if you scroll down on how to make this. And some of them at the top will also have YouTube videos posted, but all of them will have these step-by-steps with pictures and instructions. You also see this PDF download button. You can always download a PDF of your project, but if you do this, it's going to make you create an account, which you're more than happy to do. But if you didn't want to create an account, then you don't have to worry about this. To go back to the main web page, you can always click on this little house icon. You can also jump through different categories by clicking any of these links up here at the top. So let's say that you weren't really sure what you wanted to make, but you wanted to browse some projects. So you can click on any of these subjects here. Let's just click on craft. And once you click on a subject, you're going to see down here, these tiles here, it kind of breaks down crafts into different categories that you can choose from, depending on what medium you're using. So let's scroll through these, and let's say you really wanted to work with knitting and crocheting. So you can click here, and this is going to show you all the projects that deal with knitting and crocheting. Once again, you can scroll through these, and once you find a project that you like, you can click on it, and it is going to give you step-by-step instructions on how to create this project. So this concludes our overview of Instructables.com. It's a pretty easy website to navigate, so go ahead and play around with it and see what you can find. And thank you for watching.